What's going on, everybody? So back again with another video working on the Honda Prelude project. I'm show you guys, for anybody who's wanting to know how one of the common oil leaks on a Honda engine and H22 and Honda Preludes is the distributor seal and the O-ring. I'm going to show you guys how to get in there and replace it today and show you guys what you got to do. Not too bad of a job, just wanted to show you guys how to get in there and change that out. So let's go ahead and get this video started and show you guys what you got to do. So here we are at the distributor, and show you guys common issue with these Hondas and H series engines. Common issue here, as you can see, some oil from the cap area, and there's some oil, as you can see, dripping over the top of the transmission and on the side of the block here. Now, first thing we got to do for this is to take this screw out, remove the wire from here, take the two connectors. You'll take a small screwdriver, release this clip, pull back and pull up and off. Same thing with this one. And then we will remove 3 12mm bolts, and the third one is down there towards the bottom and way up underneath there. So we're gonna go ahead and mark our distributor before we take anything loose with a paint marker. You can use a Sharpie or make a little small scribe line. I'm going to take and make a small light paint mark on there. Just like so. And the reason for doing that is you want to make sure everything lines back up perfectly when you go back together. You don't want it to spin. You want, when you pull this out, you want to pull straight out. So let's go ahead and get these bolts loose and get this distributor pulled off. Got the distributor pulled back and over and out of the way. Here's the O-ring. We'll be doing the cap here in a minute, but here's the O-ring. We're going to cut this off with a pick and replace it with a new gasket and O-ring. So let's go ahead and get that done, and I'll show you guys how to get the other part off. All right, so here we are, guys. Got the two O-rings. As you can see, the old one here is really flat, and by the looks of the distributor, you can see it's been leaking for a little while. But here's the old one, really flat looking, and here's the new one, much more round, and we'll have a better seat and better fit. Now I'm going to slightly lubricate this before I put it on, just ever so slightly. Don't want too much, and you don't want it to leak and cause the seal to swell. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this on. It's going to be pretty hard to try to do it with one-handed, so I'm going to go ahead and slide this on. Alright guys, so here we are, new seal install. You want to go ahead and take a little bit of quick time to kind of clean your surface up a little bit from the oil and grease and debris. You want to make sure you don't disturb the distributor, otherwise you'll have to reset it and everything else. You don't want to try to let that distributor spin on you. That's the biggest thing when you're getting the seal back on. Don't let this spin anywhere back and forth. If it does, don't let it try to spin too far. You want to try to keep track of it. If you got to make a small mark on the housing here for everything to line up, that's fine. but you want to make sure you don't spin your distributor to make sure you get out of whack. So we're going to go ahead and put this back into place, clean our surface up a little bit here, and we're going to get the cap done here. Got the distributor put back into place. Now we're on the cap, and as you see, I've already made my paint mark here on the cap to the housing, and you can use either a Phillips head or a small 8mm screw here on 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3, to get it out. So let's go ahead and get the cap off and show you guys how to get the seal out. Got the cap off, and as you can see by the cap, there's definitely a little bit of oil in there, and if you can see right through here, there's a little bit of oil that's been bypassing and getting into here. So we're going to go ahead and change this gasket out. And what you're going to do, you're going to come in with a small pick of sorts. A really small screwdriver might help. So you're going to take it with a small pick and be able to just come out and around the housing. Now you want to take care when you pull this out so you don't damage the rotor or have any issues with the cap. You want to make sure everything stays into place, and you want to get this seal off evenly all the way around, and then you'll come back in with a new seal. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So that's pretty much going to do it for this. That's pretty much doing the distributor seals and everything on 5th gen Honda Prelude H series. Most of your Hondas are going to be the same way. This is a dual overhead cam. Most of the single cams are going to be similar. Most of the dual overhead cams are going to be similar. But however, that is how you do distributor seals, distributor cap O-ring on a Honda engine. Very common oil leak, very easy to do. Just watch what you're doing, watch what you're at, and like I said, keep everything lined up. That's why we did the paint marks. It helps keep everything lined up when you go back together, and to keep everything, you know, make sure everything's straight, make sure everything's good. So as far as that goes, that's all I got for you guys in this one. Till next time, we will see you guys in the next one.